SkipperBud's Yacht Center, taking you through the 2023 Scout 175 Sport Dorado. This is powered by a Yamaha 90 horsepower. Stainless steel prop. Convenient boarding ladder with a boarding platform. Pop-up cleats. You can see 2 bucket seats with plenty of protection. Nice stainless steel grab handles as you move forward and aft on the boat. Single axle trailer does come with a breakaway tongue for convenient storage. This one was optioned with the bow rail. Rod holders. 6-person capacity on this boat. Convenient lockable storage for your belongings. 3 cooler spaces. Large oversized finished fiberglass in the bow. Your anchor light. Do have an anchor locker. A and B side finished fiberglass pieces. Fusion audio on this boat with 4 speakers. Head unit is just below the wheel. Tilt steering. Nice stainless steel cup holder. This boat is here in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. Please call ahead to schedule your showing today.